Hi, Joe here from Auto Safety Center. Just thought I'd take a moment to explain a repair that we're doing today on a 2001 Honda Civic. Came in a few weeks ago for a cylinder misfire code. It was running pretty bad, and this vehicle actually is, as you can see from the sticker behind me, a natural gas vehicle, meaning that it runs on natural gas and obviously not on fuel or gasoline. So it came in for the running problem. We were able to run through the steps and diagnose it. It just needed a valve adjustment. Once we got the valves adjusted within specs, it was running like a top, running real good for a while, and all of a sudden the check engine light came back on. Brought it back in, and this time it wasn't a misfire, but it was a catalyst efficiency code, a P0420 to be specific. And we ran through the tests on that and realized after doing the test that the converter is going to need to be replaced. And I guess I wasn't completely surprised, because a really bad misfire will cause a catalytic converter to fail, and we have a perfect case right here in the shop today. So I thought I'd take you over to the catalytic converter and show you exactly how the computer monitors the efficiency of your catalytic converter. Let's take a look. You can see here on the bench we have the old catalytic converter out of the vehicle, and this one is actually a little bit different than some that you may be used to. It is part of the exhaust manifold, so we had to put the whole unit, replace it, just as it sits right here. And here you have the input, or the exhaust gas come out of the cylinder head into here, through the catalytic converter, and then out the pipe here. We have an exhaust pipe that attaches obviously to this and goes underneath the car. The converter is monitored by two sensors. You have your pre-catalyst O2 sensor and your post-catalyst O2 sensor. These are going to have different readings, or should have different readings, because the exhaust gases are going to be different before the cat than after the cat. And when the back sensor starts mirroring or looking like the front sensor, that's when the computer starts to flag the code. So we're going to replace this catalytic converter in this 2001 Honda Civic, and we generally will recommend new sensors when we do the catalyst replacement, just so everything is brand new and functioning properly. So thanks for tuning in. We do appreciate it. If your Honda needs any service, feel free to give us a call, schedule an appointment. Phone number to reach us is 262-334-7241. Again, I'm Joe from Auto Safety Center.